Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here to tell you about hashtag 12 Weeks of Christmas of 22 collab that is hosted by B&D Crafts and More and Kelly Creative Dreams. So the next, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks, guys. 10 weeks brings us into December. It's hard to believe that. Okay. You make a Christmas project and you share it. So I want to thank Brian as well as Kelly for letting me join the collab. I missed week 1, so this is week 2. And so let's get to my project. I'm going to explain it. A few months back, my landlord decided to sell the duplex I live in. And the people next door to me on the other side, when they found that up, they just up and moved and left a lot of stuff behind. So he asked me to help clean it out, see if I knew where I could donate. I mean, they left clothes, they left food, they left furniture, and I got 95% of it donated, that it didn't go in a landfill. And my philosophy sometimes is somebody else's trash is my treasure. So when I was assisting, going through stuff and looking if there's anything I wanted I could keep. So I came across thing, and I'm always one of these that looks at something and says, what can I do with it? So this is one of those kind of projects. So I came across this little bubble gum machine that was next door. Empty. I kept it. It's been floating around in I have a DIY, do-it-yourself drawer, where it's just stuff that I come across thinking I can make it into something later. And this is what was in there. And I thought, wouldn't it be cute, make a little scenery snow globe, and just as a decor piece. The items used on most of this is from the Dollar Tree or something I had laying around. So here we go. So what I did is, it was red already, but I repainted it, and then I just dry brushed some white on it to give it that old vintagey look, barn look, because it's going in my kitchen. And did the face plate as well, repainted it silver and just added a little black so you get that kind of weathered look. And then I put a bowl right here, and I got some lace or trim right there, as well as up here. And then I have these leaves that I had. This is a Christmas tree ornament from the Dollar Tree, is the hat. I just put a little puff ball on the top because I cut the string off. And then inside is some snow from the Hobby Lobby in a big pack. The little truck, the snowman, and the trees are all from the Dollar Tree. And I made just this little decor piece that I will set out in my kitchen this year, because my theme always for Christmas is the little red truck. So I thought it'd be cute just sitting there somewhere in my kitchen. And I was going to try to put a light, but it just didn't. I just couldn't figure out how I would do that. So I didn't do it. But my husband suggested, where is it? Oh, I got one right here. See if it works though. That maybe, and of course I grab one that doesn't work. Of course it don't work. Doing a million video and I can't get a tea light to work. I tell you. Okay, these are colored ones, but it'll do the job. That maybe. This is a maybe because I didn't try this. That out is that maybe I can just set. Yeah, I don't see it. Yeah, it's not gonna work. He thought maybe if I just put it. Yeah, so tea light ain't gonna work. But just to sit somewhere, I thought I'd share it. So my thing right now for you is to remember is when you go to throw something out, kind of look, and depending what it is, kind of look at it and go, I wonder if I can make it into something that's not like this bubblegum machine. It's a little plastic one. It's not expensive. What can I turn it into? And you never know what you come up with. So there is my Christmas project for this week. Real simple, real cute. And you figured free, 2 bowls for $1, I'd say I got less than $5 stuck in this for a decor piece in my house. at Christmas. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank Brian and Kelly for letting me participate. I will list the other collaborators in the description box below. Go check out their videos, guys. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. I'm very sorry about my voice. I do have a really bad cold that I caught from my grandson. That's where you get them, grandchildren. I said to my daughter today that, on the last note here, that I said I'm going to have to start spraying them down with Lysol again because they're like, they bring it home from school and then they come see me and it seems like I always catch their colds. They can live with their parents and they don't get them. They come me, I get them for some reason. I think my immune system's that weak, I guess, that I can't fight off a kid's colds. Spray it out with Lysol before you come in by Nana. I'm just kidding. I never do that to them, but it's a kind of a running joke. So thank you guys. Bye.